Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am doing a little bit of mixed media today. So it could be a long video, I don't know, but yeah, we will see. So this is from Ashley over on Paper and Twine here on YouTube, and it's for her hashtag PT Jig collab. So yeah, I'm finally doing mine. I've had it for a while. So yeah, I thought I'd better get started. So what have I done so far? Not a lot actually. All I've done is gessoed it white, put a little bit of stenciling through with the gesso because I didn't want a lot of height because it has to go through the post. And before I did that, I actually peeled my picture off because I didn't want to spoil it. So this is what was on here. So yeah, I'm glad it came off in one piece. So yeah, look at that. Bob disposed of things from your nose. So he's a bogey fairy. I don't know what the whole jigsaw looks like. So yeah. So what you had to do was decorate your jigsaw piece with the same colours as what was on. But you can do anything. So because mine is green and it's got black and it's got pink and it's got bits of blue, I'm not using every colour, but I am using green. So I was going to use this patina, but when I tested it, it went sticky. So yeah, I'm not going to bother using that. So I have got an oil pastel. Never used them before, so this will be a first for me. And I have got some gouache Arteza in sap green, so I think that would do nicely. Obviously I've got purple, has to have purple and green go together quite nicely. I've got a butterfly and I've got some die cuts that were gifted to me. And there's going to be other bits on there, I think. I've changed my mind on how to decorate this about 3 times now, so this is the final decision. This is what I'm doing. Right, so we are gonna add, oh, I can't get the top off this. My hands are so weak at the moment. Everything is weak at the moment. Ah, there we go. Woo! Didn't think I was gonna get that off there then. I think I have used it and I've got paint on the outside. So I'm just going to put a little bit. I might need more, so I'm going to leave the top off because I won't be able to get it off again. Oh. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to wet it. And because I've put my gesso on, it should be okay. Now you're not allowed to go around the edges because I've got a middle piece. It has to slot in with the other pieces. Oh, I've got green on there already. So yeah, I'm soaking this. The back is going to get mucky, but as long as she sees this, because I think it's like a grid, so she can follow where she's putting it. So I should have got some bottled water. So what I want to do, I'm trying to show you, is just let it drip down and let it go where it wants. So lots and lots of water. Yeah, I haven't done much mixed media on my channel. Because it takes a long time. You know, you've got to dry things and you've got to, you know, wait for things to stick properly. It does take quite a long time. But I am going to use my heat tool to dry. And I'm also going to be doing, hopefully, some heat embossing. So yeah, I don't need any more water, I don't think. So this is all I am doing. Let it drip where it wants to. Let's add a bit more water to the top. So is anybody else taking part? I haven't seen any videos or anything. That's a bit, there we go. I haven't seen any videos or anything of people doing them. If I've not been looking properly, and the years, I'll probably have to have another look. But yeah, so I'm just drying my table a little bit so I don't get the back as mucky as what I want. I mean, I can always put, so it's 2.5. I don't know what 2.5 means, but yeah. So far we have that. I have paint everywhere. Lovely. Yeah, so I need to dry it. So it's going to get noisy, I'm afraid. So get ready to turn your volume down. I'm starting it now. It shouldn't take too long. I've been wanting to do this for ages, but put it off and put it off and put it off. But it's getting to the point where I need to get it done and get it sent off, really. So yeah, I can't wait to see these jigsaw pieces all together, to see what everybody's done. Nearly dry. Not that long, actually. I love that where it's pooled, it's a little bit darker and you got them streaks going on. Yeah, I like that a lot. Is that dry, do you think? I'm just going to pop my hand on. I can't tell because I've got paint all over my hand. Oh, that's dry actually. So there we go. Right, this. Never used it, so I don't know what it's going to be like. Oh, it goes on there quite nicely. Can you... Oh, you can smudge it. Smudge. So yeah, we'll see. So I'm just going to go over these bits, you know, where I've used the stencil, just to bring them out a little bit. I like it. I use these more often. It's like a crayon, isn't it? But not. So let's have a look, see what smudging it does. Oh, it brings them up quite nicely, doesn't it? Ooh, I have to use this more often, I think. It just highlights them more, doesn't it? I know it's the same colour, but yeah, I like it. Yeah, I do. I do. Right, okay, let's leave that there. Do I need anything else on the background? Do you know, I'm not sure. Maybe I could dry brush? No, I don't want a dry brush. Right, what else have I got? Right, so I have my black embossing powder. I have my embossing ink, and I have this from Lavinia Stamps, and this is mini orbs. So I'm going to use this just for texture on the background. I'm going to go where there's flat bits. So wherever it touches, that is where it's going to be. I don't know what the embossing powder is going to do to this. I think I'll just heat it up a little bit. Move these out of the way. Just to make sure that everything's dry. I'm not too sure what it's going to do with the oil pastel, with the embossing powder. I've never done this before, so this is all new. And I might do the edges as well in black. Yeah. Right. Ooh, don't fall off. See that it's not dry, so I don't know what it's going to do. Oh, we'll do it anyway, and we'll see. Right, I need a piece of paper to catch. Plastic bag. Just to catch this embossing powder. So I'm just going to get a piece. Yep, that'll do. Put that back there so I'm not making too much of a mess. Right, I need my stamp, don't I? It would help, yes. So hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, then I've learned, haven't I? We will see. So the stamp will just go where it actually makes contact with the jigsaw piece. Right, let's give it a go and see what happens. You can do but try. Right, I know it was over here somewhere. Doesn't have to be like completely. I might get some really nice effects on this. You don't know, do you? Was that where it was? Just pat it down, blow a little bit. I like, but I do want a bit more. What do you think? Just a little bit more, just to make it even. Okay. Yes. Did I do it anywhere else? Can't remember. And I've just done it as well, so there's a bit more there maybe. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that, and let's have a look, see what happens to it. Put this back in here. I need one of those big fluffy makeup brushes, don't I, really? Okay, let's bring this back in, and I'm gonna put my heat tool on again. I think this might be the last time I use it. Let's see what happens. Well, it's definitely working. Oh, I might have to sit that bit back down. Come on. Because of all that water I put on it, isn't it? Go around all my edges when I'm done. I like this middle bit here. This is quite nice, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. I've never had much luck with embossing powder before in the past, but yeah, this is it's worked out okay, hasn't it? I love it when it does. It's magic, isn't it? Look at that. Look at it go. I hope you can see this. Yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. Make sure it's all done. It just gives it more texture as well, doesn't it? Right, so I like it a lot. It's got a bit of a shine. This has come up at the end here, so I need to stick that down. I need to stick that down. Yeah, it's because I put water on it. So I'm just going to put that off to the side and let that dry off completely. And now I've got this. Now this is where, oh, the purple powder comes out. I need a spray bottle. Have I got one? Probably not. No, I think I gave it to my daughter. She was doing something. Oh, we'll have to drip. Yeah, we'll have to drip with the water. So I'll cover it as much as I can with this. Oh, wait, come out then. Doesn't have to be completely covered, but mostly. Right, so I'm just going to use this water and see what happens when I drip it on. Never done it this way before, like. I really do need a spray bottle, don't I? Oh dear. I'm just making a massive mess and it's running off. Oh, what if I did this? Just do that. Just do that, Claire. There, it's completely covered. Oh dear. Where's my tissue gone? Just pick it up. Oh, I've just broke the wing. Broke the little bit on the wing. There we go. Oh, I've just broke that there. Won't be able to stick it back down. Dirty. I love getting dirty. Let me just put this embossing away. My stamp. I don't know where I put the little. Is that it? No. You know, the little bit of backing. You know, the acetate that the stamp goes on. I don't know what I've done with it. I've probably melted it, haven't I? Oh, there it is. Oh. There we go. Put it that way. There we are. Right, that's that put away. That away. I've got a basket off to the side of me where I'm putting everything I'm finished with in. Right. Definitely one more time. That is it. Ooh, it just gives it a bit of a shine and a bit of a colour, doesn't it? Very nice. So I think this is the only bit of dimension that is actually going on here. I'm not too sure if I'm putting words on yet. Or I might put one word on. I wasn't going to. I'm just going to leave it as is. Turn it around. But yeah, I think I'm just going to put one word on. Pick that up. I like it a lot. I really do. back over this side. There we are. Right, I like the distressed look that it's got, but I want some black soot, just in parts of it, not like all the way over, because I do want this to stand out somewhat. That's quite nice, isn't it? Oh, it's completely broke off now, hasn't it? I'll just break that one off if I can. There we go, and it'll look the same. Yes, that'll do. That will more than do. I like that a lot. So what I'm going to do with my jigsaw piece now is, let me just get, what colour is this? Oh, that's pink. Aha. I'm going to go round my little pot of goodies. Ooh. With some purple around the edges of this, but first I'll just use this glue because it is only cardboard, isn't it? Just stick this down. Really separated there. Hope it doesn't bring the paint off. Separated there. I'm just sticking it back down. Like I said, it's because of the water, the moisture, but it should be okay. Anywhere else? I think that is it. Oh, let me just, that come up? No, it's just a crack. Right, okay, that's that. I must remember which way it goes as well. Don't want it upside down, do we, when she puts it all together. So yeah, I need my purple, which is over here somewhere. It's just in my little trolley, and it's wilted violet that I am using. Oh. I could have used pink because there's pink on. She's got little pink wings, but yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, so while that is sticking there, I'm going to start from the top. Move my, I'll just go around, do all of my edges so there is no white bits at all. I'm going to be able to get in that little groove. Oh, there we go. Oh. Do that a bit much there. And this is oxide, so yeah, it's like chalky. Chalk. It's nice, but I do prefer the normal distress inks. Inky. The only thing with the jigsaw piece, very awkward shape. Have you ever tried cutting around it? You know, when you've stuck something on top of it. It's very difficult to do. Okay, we're nearly done. There's a few white parts on it, but I don't mind. Don't mind at all. Come on, get in there. Need a pointy one. There we go. Okay. There we are. Do I like it? I love it. Let's make sure all my edges are covered, which they are, apart from them little bits in there that I can't actually get in, you know, these little awkward, oh, there we go. I'll do the same with this one. That'll do, that'll do. And you can still see the numbers on the back. So we've got that so far. I like it a lot. Oh, sorry. Right, so I have my butterfly and I have some die cuts, like I said. So these are just going to be placed. I am going to cut these bits off. Want that more up at the top. Okay, I'm gonna stick down. I want that. Where's my scissors? My scissors. I just want that snipping there. So I'm gonna stick this down. And because I've got like texture on there, I'm going to use gel medium. This is fabulous stuff, this. So I'm just going to put it on my hand and do this. Don't have to put a lot on because it is only paper. I want to make sure that it's going to stick, and it's going to stick for a long time. So I don't know what she's going to do with the jigsaw's pieces once she has got them all back. I'm not sure at all. Come here. Yeah, I don't know. She might give them back. She might keep them and frame the jigsaw in as a whole. I'm not sure. Bit more. See, this is sticky already, this. Right, make sure I don't rip it. Okay, so that is going there. Like so. Where's my, just going to use this. There we go. And there's no overhang, so I'm quite happy with that. So that's that bit done. And this bit wants to go about here. So yeah, it doesn't need cutting. Hope you've enjoyed watching me mess about, play. And testing out a new product that I've never used before. So I will be using the oil pastels in the future. I don't know what it would be on though. Oh yes I do. I've got another mixed media project coming up. And this it's been commissioned by my son's girlfriend. She went to a, what are they called? A concert. It's a concert, Claire. To see Panic at the Disco. I don't know if you've heard of them. Great band. Some of the music can be a little bit, but yeah. And it was their last concert, and yeah, she wants me to do like a display, like a picture, just to commemorate that it is their last concert, last ever concert. I want that. I don't know if I want this on. Put that down there. On that side? No, I want it on that side. So, so yeah. I'm not, she's not paying me to do it. I'm doing this for free, as a little present. So yeah, it's sort of like a commission, but it isn't at the same time because I'm not getting paid for it. But yeah, so that will be a big mixed media piece that I'll be doing, and I will be trying a speeded up video with it. We'll see. I'm not quite sure how it works, but my son's fiance said that she can do it for me. So we'll see. Watch this space, as they say. Right, come on. Don't want it hanging off the end anywhere. Stick. So that needs to be brought round to there. There we go. Just need it to adhere to stick it down. It's got curly. I will go around and I will stick down where it comes up. I don't want any of this to fall apart. No, that wouldn't be good, would it? Not at all. A little bit there. Sorry if my head gets in the way. Let's pick it up. Right, this is not sticking. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing, but all I'm doing is adding glue. Well, my gel medium. Might have to add use my wet glue, my what's it called, Nouveau glue. We'll see. I think it's, are you going to stick? That bit just doesn't want to stick down. This leafy bit here just does not want to stick down at all. Oh, now that bit's come up. No. Eee, best laid plans and all. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to use my wet glue for it, because it just doesn't want to stick down. It's vellum, isn't it? This is a vellum piece. Let's... I don't want to stick my stamping block to it. Right, I'm finished with the paint. Definitely finished with the paint. I don't need the paint anymore. Right, I've also got, while that's drying, mixed media crystal souffle, and it's a diamond. Gorgeous stuff, this. And I've seen a word here, exhaling. I'm thinking on magic, because it was a fairy, wasn't it? Sparkle. There we go. Got it. Sparkle. I'm trying to cut without messing up. Get in there. Oh, can't cut. Okay, so I've got my words. Well, a word. So I've got sparkle, because it will be sparkly once I put this diamond souffle on. That bit, and then cut this bit straight, Claire. That'll do. Okay. Oh, it's actually stuck, isn't it? Right, so I have my butterfly. I don't want to put it up on any dimension because this has got to go through the post. Could have that there and sparkle across there, like so. Could do that, couldn't I? Just looking at it, and it looks like it needs something else, but I just don't know what it is. What do you think it's missing? I don't know. Probably nothing. It's probably just me, because I like to add everything. Yeah, I think that's okay actually. Yeah, I quite like it. So I'm going to stick this down. I'm just going to use this. I mean, I think my wet glue would be okay. But yeah, right, so that is going to go about there. I can't see whether or not it's straight. That'll do. And then my butterfly, my beautiful butterfly. I love butterflies, if you didn't already know. Yeah. If I could be anything in the whole world, I would be a butterfly. Not a caterpillar. A butterfly. Let's make sure that this is going to stick. There we go. So this is going there. And once this gel medium is dry, it's dry. It's not, nothing is going anywhere. There we go. There we are. Right, I'm going to do that again. Just so, what is that? Oh, no, nothing. It's nothing. Right, put my lid on there so it doesn't dry out. So I'm finished with that. I'm finished with that. I think what I'm going to do with this is when I send my jigsaw piece back, I'm going to put this on the front of a card. Yeah, and that way it's, you know, it's not lost. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I've decided to do. That's what I'm going to do. So, hope it hasn't dried out. I don't know, I can't see. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful, isn't it? I might keep that. Actually, yeah, I'm going to keep it. I'm just going to put it over my chair to the side. Get my other bit. Come on. I want a little brush. I don't think it's dried out. No, it hasn't. Thank God for that. Okay, so I'm just going to dry my brush. Yeah, and then once this is on, I'm done. I am definitely done. Yeah. Right, so this I'm gonna put everywhere. So it's gonna be very, very, very sparkly. Be careful that it doesn't go over the edges, because when this dries, it dries really hard, and the jigsaw piece won't be able to slot into the rest of the jigsaw. So yeah, I need to use this anyway, because yeah, I don't use it enough. And I need to use my products because, yeah, spent good money on them. And I'm not using them. And they're drying out. And I'm not able to use them. Wipe that down there. So yeah, I need to use them. I need to remember to use them. Okay, so all around my butterfly. And you're not going to see this dry because I'm not going to force dry it. I'd like it to dry naturally because when it dries, all this white that you see disappears, and you're just left with the shine. So yeah. Get it off. Okay. There we are. Do I want any more on? Am I just going too far now? Going too far, Claire. You need to stop. I can't. I will. I'm going to stop now. Actually, put some more on. Yeah, I'm going to stop now. Yeah, so yeah, you're not going to see how beautiful the sparkly bits are till that white goes away. Yeah, maybe when Ashley receives it, you'll be able to see the sparkle. Sorry, I just wasn't happy with that in the place it was. So yeah, that is me finished. I am finished. I hope it hasn't been too long for you, but yeah, from that to that I've kept the colour green. Yeah, and I've used black. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. So I am going to leave it there. I'm going to tidy up because I've made a lovely mess. Lovely, not so much on that one, but yeah, lovely mess. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I will link Ashley's channel in the description box below, along with a hashtag. So it's hashtag PT, what is it? I've forgotten already. PT Jig Collab. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to go. Oh, looking through the camera, it just looks lovely. I just wish all the white was dry so you could see how sparkly it was. Sparkly, sparkly. Yeah, okay. Right, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.